Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick haul. I'm going to try and do it really quick. In this one I'm just going to do all of the things that I paid $1 for because I've had to change containers of all my new stuff and that one's too full, and I think I'm going to have to end up leaving out like your basic supplies of swatch sticks and files and things like that because I need to start putting some of the stuff away because it bothers me if I have all the clutter out. So all of these things are going to be $1 and I'll try and do this one really quick. I'll firstly start with the stickers. Obviously everything's from eBay. Love eBay, it's just the easiest for me to go through. Now these stickers I got 4 packets. These were actually 95 cents each. I opened this one and had a go. I stuck it on with no top coat on top of nails already done just to see how it wore. It was great. It lasted easily 5 days. That's with no top coat or anything like that. And it stuck, so I'd imagine with top coat it would stay on the whole time. But they're absolutely gorgeous. I really love them. 95 cents each. Super cute. Got the fall, spring, and then like a dandelion type one, and then like a forest one. Love those. Next, again $1. I got this little packet. They're really cute too. I don't think I opened this one yet and tried one. Really cute. Love those too. A few little gold stickers. I thought this was going to be bigger than what it was. They're really small and I did try it. It didn't wear as well as the other ones, but the designs are really cute. Next I got these. I see a lot of these hauled and I thought I'll try them. The water decals. I think I got 12 sheets. They look really pretty. I haven't tried them or anything, but they look really pretty, so if they work I'll be really happy to use these. I love hippie style stuff. I'm a little bit of a hippie. I got them $1. You get heaps, so I'll have to play around with them and see how they go. Next I bought these, which they ended up being wrong. It only came with 3 sheets. I bought another packet. I'll do in another haul where it came with heaps of them for $3, like heaps of sheets, but I bought this one specifically. I thought I was getting 3 sheets of the fish scale type of stencil. I'll see if I can insert a picture. That's what I wanted mostly. That's why I paid $1 for these separately, but I didn't get any, so bit of disappointment about that one. I'll go with these little unicorn nail art. They're like hollow. Some of them are pink. Some of them are hollow. Super cute. Haven't done anything with them yet. They do feel like they're quite thick, whereas they're supposed to be ultra thin, but it'll still be fine. Really cute. Unicorns are like a huge deal at the minute, so I couldn't go past them. These two, these were actually $1 each, and it's just those like flakes. When I first got it I thought, is this just alfoil? I thought, did I just pay $1 for a little thing of alfoil? But then when I opened it, it's actually totally different. I mean, I don't know what it's made out of, but super soft. Super soft. When I thought it was tinfoil, I was really devo. Felt a bit foolish, but it's actually different stuff. I got the gold as well. $1 each. Hadn't tried them yet. Have to give them a go. Then I got this thing of glitter. $1. It's like iridescent. I don't know how much it is. I don't even have it written down, but it's a fair bit. I don't know if I'll pick up on how it's iridescent. Loving glitter at the minute. Come on. Haven't tried it yet. Then I got another pot of the Your Sugar. This is L012. I have only a few colours so far, but I got a purple hollow and I saw that the silver was there, and I mean for $1 I wore the purple and it was absolutely beautiful. So I thought for $1 I'll go back and get another glitter. I do want to feel this at some point. It hasn't been a huge priority, but got this one. I haven't worn it yet and I didn't notice the hollow in the purple is really, really fine, whereas in the silver it's really grainy. I think you'd have to put an extra layer of top coat so you wouldn't feel the grain. The glitter in this is a lot chunkier and thicker, but still, it's beautiful. Haven't worn it yet, but I'm assuming it's going to be much like the purple one, which I loved. Then I got these, which I was really disappointed about. They are Christmas water decals. I mean, if I see something really cheap and it's Christmas or Easter or whatever themed, I'll get it anyway, because you never know what you're going to use when this season comes around. I thought I'd get this. It came folded, so a lot of them have got big creases in them, but it doesn't look like it's going to be amazing quality, but I'll have to try it at Christmas time. These ones look cute. I don't know if I love all of them. I'm not that style, it's not for me. But I have to try some of them and see how they go, but it's definitely not how I thought it was going to be. $1. That's alright. Then I got a Born Pretty metal pigment. It was 0.5 grams for $1, which is like hardly any. But compared to the pictures, over a black polish, no wipe top coat, smudge on, it was really easy to work with compared to some of their products. I really like it. I haven't done anything with it yet, but that was nice for $1. Let me get a little bit. I wouldn't do every nail in it, so that'll probably go a long way for me. And then I think my last thing for $1 was some nail foils. I got these. They look totally different to how they were pictured. But, I mean, there's a Christmas one, like geometric, which I tried. Roses, like a water marbling. They look better on camera than they do in person. Unicorns, like a tropical type of theme. And then, yeah, random shapes. But, iron roses. Oh. And there's a hippie dream catcher style one. But I did try them. I cut it off there. I did one with my cheapy glue. And, I mean, it went on. It didn't pick up the whole picture. I had to go over again and try to reline it up. And it just, how hollow it looks. I mean, it looks amazing on camera. It does not look like that in person or on the nail. It didn't shine through that much at all. Maybe I needed to be, I did it at night when I tried it, so maybe it needed the natural lighting. But they're alright for $1, fair few. I'll have to try again, because they look really pretty on the video. And they aren't that nice in person. Anyway, that's all the things I got for $1. I might come back on, do like a part 2 of things that were over $1. They're probably a little bit more interesting. Anyway, I hope somebody enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.